Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to record sounds on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So here, as you can see, we do have our iPhone home screen and we have to go here to utilities. Here tap Voice Memos, tap Continue, and here now we can tap Allow once, or it doesn't really matter if you allow for the location. Here now you can tap this one, this red dot, to record our audio. Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we are going to test the microphone in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. To finish, tap this square. Now, as you can see here, you can find your recordings. Record our audio. Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we are going to test the microphone in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. To finish, as you can see, that's how it works. Goodbye.